Hey everyone, welcome to another video. It's Jenny, and I just want to take a moment to say thank you to everyone that subscribed so far. Now let's get into the review. So I've had this bag almost 2 years, and just to start off, I'll tell you about some of the features. It comes with 3 zippers, one on the front and then main compartment zipper, and then there's also a smaller zipper that is attached to the main compartment where you can store your wallet or your keys. I like to put my phone in here. It also comes with 2 pockets on the front and 1 large pocket on the back. The 2 pockets on the front have a metallic close, so they're just kind of left open. And the pocket on the back has no closure. It doesn't have any Velcro or anything like that. And then there are 2 netted pockets on the side that can hold a water bottle, or sometimes I would put hand sanitizer in there. But the pockets on the side are quite small. And this is the duo bag, so it only comes with 2 pockets in the front. They do have another bag that has 3 front pockets, and I went with the duo because I really thought this would be just what I needed. When I purchased this bag, it also came with a diaper case, a wipe case, and it also came with a pad. So it comes with this black changing pad. It just has a Velcro closure, and it's just a very simple pad with kind of like a nylon type of fabric and a little foam on the inside. The front of the bag has some hardware on it. If you can see, this is where they say you can hook your keys to, but honestly I never ever use this feature for keys. But what I did use it for was my baby's pacifier. So if you have a pacifier that has a little clip, you can clip it here and keep your pacifier from getting lost. And what I would do is clip the pacifier holder onto the clip and then tuck the pacifier into the pouch on the front. It also comes with carrying handles and a strap with a nice cushion pad. This pad was really comfortable on my shoulder, and I never felt like it was digging into my shoulder. And I really like the carrying handles because sometimes I just needed to grab the handles and the strap would sometimes get in the way. So the nice thing about the strap is that it actually can come off. It detaches like that, and it has a buckle closure, and also on the same buckle closure there is another strap that comes off, and this attaches to your stroller. And I really think this was a really good design by Skip Hop, because any stroller that you have, whether it has a single bar or it's a double bar foldable stroller, you can hook this bag to any stroller. The inside of the bag also has nylon fabric. The outside of the bag is also nylon fabric. I'm not sure if all of the bags are created this way, but the one that I purchased is. It contains 2, I would say, medium sized pockets on the inside, and then on the side of the package, and I'll have to zoom in for this, there are skinnier, smaller pouches, and I use this to store things like little trash bags or Ziploc bags, and I also have some hand sanitizer that I put in there. The care and cleaning of the bag was pretty easy because it has this nylon material. I found it to be pretty stain free. I could put it on tables, I could put it on the ground, I could take it to the park with me. It didn't get grass stains on it. I never tried to put it in the washing machine, although I feel like you could throw it in the washing machine, but really all I ever had to do was just wipe it down with a damp cloth and it was good as new again. So what are some of the positives and negatives about this bag? Well, definitely one positive for us is that it was kind of a small bag. It was a little bit annoying at times because I felt like if I had got the bigger bag with 3 pockets in the front, I would have more room for bottles and blankets and just all the things that you need for the baby. But this was actually really good for traveling. So this was easy to fit under an airline seat. Again, it's not bulky, so when you're taking it from the terminal to terminal, really was not heavy. The strap was very comfortable. And I also like the feature where you can put your wallet or your phone, and I would use that a lot while we were traveling and we were walking out in the streets. So it kind of conceals where your passport or your phone would be. The other positives that I liked, of course, are the straps here for the stroller. They can accommodate any stroller. And I also liked all of the pockets. I love that it has a lot of pockets. But would I purchase this again? That's hard to say. I think now that my baby has become a toddler and knowing what I know, I might go for the Skip Hop backpack or another diaper bag in a backpack style. Sometimes having this bag crossbody, it would get in the way, and I really feel like backpacks are just easier to use, and I think backpacks can also hold more things. I mentioned that it came with this little black pad, and this is also another positive feature. I really used this quite a lot when we would go out just to change my baby or to have something that she could lay on that was soft, because it has cushioning throughout the whole thing. This is really easy to clean. I have thrown this in the washing machine. No damage, and yeah, all you do to dry it is you just hang dry it. It dries very quickly. If you're wondering what types of things you can put in the front pocket, because the front pocket, as I mentioned, only has magnetic closures, that is a little bit of a negative for me. It is very easy and accessible. You can put bottles in here, but if you have very wide bottles where the base is very large, it can be a little bit difficult to fit bottles in here, but you can do it. I did it. Usually though, the types of things that I would fit in the front pocket would be water bottle, or I'd fit different toys like squeaky toys and soft books, things like that could entertain my baby that I needed quick access to. Some of the accessories that I bought that I found were really helpful with the bag are this pacifier pocket. And so this has a snap closure, and I would just snap it to the front of the bag and put the pacifier in there. This is really easy to wash, and I feel like this kept her pacifiers clean. It's good. It'll hold 2 pacifiers, and it's good to store one that's sterile in case the other one that she's using becomes unsterile. And so we use this quite a lot. Another thing that I purchased to go along with the diaper bag is this waterproof little sack. And the inside has a plastic material, kind of like something you would find on a mattress cover, and it comes with 2 pockets, one on for the main compartment and one on the outside with a mesh netting. And it also has a snap closure, so you can attach this to your diaper bag. But usually what I would do is just fold it up like this and stick it in my diaper bag. And I would use this, and I bought this in case my baby had any accidents. So if she threw up or if she went to the bathroom and I needed to store her dirty clothes. And this can be machine washed, and I have put it in the machine and it cleans up very easily. Honestly, I thought I would use this a lot more than I did. I've only had to use it a few times, but the few times that I needed to use it, it really came in handy. And I think I paid about $10 for this bag. So you might be able to find it for the same price, maybe a little bit more. This was a discontinued pattern, so that's why I got it for the price that I did. And lastly, my favorite item from the Skip Hop collection is this portable changing station. I have used this so much and it's worth every penny. I think we paid about $22 US for it, and I would say if there's one thing that you should get, and if you're considering getting a diaper bag or getting a diaper changing bag, get the diaper changing bag. Get the diaper changing station because you will use it all the time. So the diaper changing station has a clip front. It has a zipper as well on the front. It has a carrying handle, which is nice, and it also has a clippable handle that I have used many times. I have attached it to my stroller. The inside contains a mesh netting where you can keep diapers, and I can keep about 5 diapers, and currently my daughter is a toddler and I can hold about 4 diapers in here, so large size diapers. It does have an interior bag with a zipper, and I like to store her diaper cream, an extra change of clothing, and some wipes. And it also has a detachable zipper so that you can detach the carrying case from the diaper pad, and that might come in use to you. I haven't really had to detach it very many times, but maybe for washing in the laundry or washing it in the sink, that's pretty useful. But honestly, I just throw the whole thing into the washing machine and it gets clean. I haven't had any trouble with any fraying or damage, and I've washed it quite a few times in the washing machine. The pad itself has, again, like a waterproof surface. There's a little bit of cushion at the top, kind of like a pillow for your baby's head to lay on. And yeah, it's a good length, it's a good size, and I like that it folds up with the Velcro when you're done. So overall, would I recommend buying the Skip Hop Duo bag? I would say if you are not able to purchase both a diaper bag and a changing station, I would not get the diaper bag and I would only buy the diaper changing station. 1, because it's cheaper, and 2, because you will use it a lot more. Now that my daughter is older, I really don't find myself using the Skip Hop bag, but again, they've come out with a new style, so they have a backpack version, and if I could do it again, then I would probably just buy the backpack version to begin with, because that's what I'm using now, is just a regular backpack type of purse. The pacifier pocket was also I felt a really great purchase, and it's fairly cheap. I think it was $5 to $7 US. And the last product was the waterproof sack that you can put soiled clothing or diapers in. If you are doing cloth diapering, this might be really useful for you. I just use disposable diapers, and I really didn't find myself using this as much as I thought I would, so I would pass on that if I had to do it again. So that was my review for the Skip Hop Duo diaper bag. If you like this review, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel, and it'll help other parents find my review. Also, if you're on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm on there now. You can find me at Jenny's_baby_hacks, and I will write it on the screen and leave it in the description for you. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.